Trời bọc kia ấy. Ừ. Trời. Hello សួស្តីអ្នកគ្នាយើងស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ហ្គេមថ្មីហ្គេមនោះមានឈ្មោះថា The Walking Dead តោះចូលទៅកាន់ gameplay របស់យើងទាំងអស់គ្នាតោះ1 2 3វាថ្ងៃទី1ថ្ងៃទី1ស្មានតែកៀងថាដាក់ដោនមកនេះដោនមកស្មានលេតកើតតែលេងកើតតែអត់អី smooth គាត់បើ graphic em
Well, I reckon you didn't do it then.
អូខេអានេះគេមានជំរឿសឲ្យយើងរើសOkay.
Why do you say that?
You know, I've driven a bunch of fellas down to this prison. Lord knows how many. Usually it's about now I get the, I didn't do it.
So, and what do you say?
And what do you say?
I say, yep, I know you didn't.
ក៏បានដែរបើពេលលេងហ្គេមអញ្ចឹងហើយយើងអត់ចេះអង់គ្លេសពេលអញ្ចឹងរៀងបាក់ដែរ
I followed your case a little bit. You being a making boy and all.
មកលើកនេះសំឡេងច្បាស់អាសានិយាយដាក់កាសរកដងសំឡេងចេះចឹង start បានហើយ
What do you think?
What do you think?
I'm just glad I chose law and not order. Big messy trial like that. Even if you was innocent, a lot of what happened can't ever be undone.
ថែត្រូវខំរៀនអង់គ្លេសថែមទៀតអាសាដឹងអីនេះ
Any of that seem important to you?
All of it, but that box never shuts up. Sit in this seat and pay too much attention and you'll drive yourself crazy. I got a nephew up at UGA. You teach there long?
Going on my 6th year.
ចឹងហ្គេមនោះវាមានដូចជា
Meet
2
your
ភាគ
wife in Athens?
ហើយភាគហ្នឹងជាភាគ 1
You want to know how I see it?
Sure
Sure.
Okay
Regardless, could be you just married the wrong woman.
Chơi mê Phật nhiều Mê Phật nhiều luôn nè Phờ mẹ
You'll have to learn to stop worrying about things you can't control.
Ok, mẹ thông bê đi chị ạ Ôi, lan bê tên nào hô hài
I'm driving this man once. He was the worst one. He wouldn't stop going on about how he didn't do it. He was an older fella, big soft eyes behind a pair of smart folk glasses. And he just wailing back there. Says it wasn't him. Crying and snotting all over right where you're sitting.
Cái ta đang dây sơn mày
Then before long, he starts kicking the back of the seat like a fussy baby on an airplane. And I tell him he's got to stop. That's government property, and I'll be forced to zap him otherwise. So he stops, and having exhausted all his options, he starts crying out for his mama. Mama, it's all a big mistake. It wasn't me.
Maybe has
Maybe he was innocent.
Innocent? They caught the fucker red-handed, stabbing his wife, cutting her up as the boys came through the door. He sits in my car screaming bloody murder that it wasn't him. I think he actually believed it himself.
Cái nóមានជំរឿសឲ្យយើងរើសដល់ពេលគេសួរសំណួរអញ្ចឹងមកវាមានដាក់ចម្លើយ3ដើម្បីសួរគេចុយលោតសារមកណែនេះ
This one's a little bit less depressing and a bit more hilarious if I do say so.
ចុយបុកគេហើយ
Other time,
អឺចុយអាមួយដើមមិញដូចមែនមនុស្សអាមួយដើមមិញដូចស៊ុំប៊ី មួយដើមមិញមានមនុស្សមិនមែនមនុស្សសិតតែខ្មោចជួយខ្មោចស៊ីក្បាលតានោះបាទអើ
Oh, shit.
អូខេតួអង្គយើងនៅរស់ទេចុចដៃជាប់ខ្នោះទៀតមិញអត់ដឹងណាអាហ្នឹងអ្នកទោស
Leg.
តួអង្គយើងអ្នកទោសមិញស្មើដឹកទៅណាដែរតែបើតួអង្គយើងអ្នកទោសអូខេតានឹងងាប់បាត់ហើយ
Why the hell did he have his gun out? Hey! Hey, officer! Are you all right? I'm still cuffed back here.
បាច់ហៅតានឹងទៅងាប់ហើយ
Maybe it was tossed from the car during the wreck. Officer? Oh, that doesn't look good. He wasn't ejected from the car.
អេលោកកើតអីអត់ What the fuck
He's not moving. He must have the handcuff keys on him. He must have the handcuff keys on him. He must have the handcuff keys on him.
អូខេយើងអាចអូបានមិញអត់ដឹងលេងគឺចុចកន្លែងតានឹងដែលយើងមានទ្វារកន្លែងបើកចេញហើយអូខេដៃជាប់ខ្នោះហើយ
Damn it. Damn it.
ដល់ចេញប្រហែលយើងត្រូវបំបីកញ្ចក់ឡានដើម្បីទៅយកកូនសោពីខ្មោចអាតានឹងអូខេចិត្តបាយអ
I need to drag myself out that window.
ចេញទៅ
I need to drag myself out that window.
អូខេណាត់បាក់កងាប់ហើយចុយត្រូវស្អីនេះកន្លាប់ឡានមិញខ្ពស់ដែរអត់ងាប់អូខេយើងមានជំរឿយើងរើអូខេយើងអាចដើរបានទៅកំភ្លើងជិះយកកំភ្លើងបាញ់មិនហិចដៃជាប់ខ្នោះអូខេ shotgun
Looks empty.
ក្រាហ្វិកសាហ្គេមចូលចិត្ត
It'll be easier to carry with these cuffs off.
យកបានមែនណូទៅរើសក្រកកំភ្លើងយើងបានក្រកកំភ្លើងតែត្រូវទៅកន្លែងតានឹងដើម្បីយកកូនសោចាក់ខ្នោះដៃចេញអូខេ
Officer? God damn. Officer?
អូយកសោមកចាក់ខ្នោះដៃសោះបលយករមរកឃើញ
Shit.
មិនបង្រាជ័យក្នុងការចាក់ខ្នោះអូខេហើយងាកស្វែងងាកស្ដាប់អូខេចាក់សោមកបានហើយទៅយកកំភ្លើងមកតានឹងរស់កើតទីខ្មោចលយនេះតានឹងស៊ូប៊ីខាំហើយដែរអូខេ
Officer?
យោតានឹងកើតខ្មោចហ៎
What in the fuck are you?
រើកំភ្លើងមកចុយរើកំភ្លើងមក
Get away from me! What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened?
ដាក់គ្រាប់ដាក់
It.
fuck លឿនឡើង
Don't make
មក
me
ដល់ហើយ
do
មកដល់
this.
ហើយដាក់កណ្ដាលក្បាល like ជួយម៉ែបែកក្បាលតិច Oh shit. Ok. Nó nã kia nó
Help! Go get someone!
chui chui.
Finish shooting!
À, đào tụi bạn. Ok, màu mà chờ nè. Zombie vậy làm. Ok, chờ làm bao xâm lên lưu bay lần hơn thì chị. Đỡ bằng bớt rồi. Trừ chương này. Trời mấy sao miếng khói sao ba nhà ta, khói nhà ta nó ngọt lấy khói mà một luôn. Ok. Ok, trộn vẹn thầm mây vậy. Chẳng những anh lên chọn một vẹn mà nhỉ. Wow, bị phốt lột phô bình tại đội khói zombie. Ok, lưu snow của plug này, cái banh bằng ao lại, ao bọc khói nhưng tới cái mồi mà rổ tu on dương này. Nó tu on chứ có mẹ nó có ở toàn đăng này. Đây. Dùng miếng giấy qua này, đào từ mưa lại như sân.
Fill one of those teacups with some bourbon if I could.
Admin ấy ấy, cho lên đi.
Help! Anybody up there?
Admin cho lại mấy tiếng rồi. Đi dùng miếng lại mấy tiếng rồi. Này, khuya. Ok, lại ăn tới rồi. Đỡ đôi viên tình yêu nè, đó là. Xuống đây mẹ ăn nơi tiệt. Cái miệng lại bạc thuyết rồi. Bỏ vô.
Coming in. Don't shoot, okay?
Trốn tới xua chớn này.
Hello? I'm not an intruder.
Mày tiệt là cái cha hay xua. Miệng nơi nơi. Xua tiệt mấy mà lạ sợ chiêm. Với dùng mình để nấu son lưới chán. Xìm cáo đấy. Đâu mà ngay này. Chiêm. Ô, mình sẽ làm đầy vậy. Mình rút cùng nấu. Unicorn. Vậy đi. Tu sắp mến. Hâu mà. Hâu xong chùm nuôi. Ê, rạch vô này là bao vô. Bị chụp cho lòng. Ê, có thế à? Ô, có thọt xâm lên. Stop vào đó, phơ vào đó. Ok, em dùng miếng canh cho tao. Lăng tao lỡ. mơ được cắn này kìa.
Finally, I don't know if you tried to reach us. All the calls are getting dropped. They're not letting us leave and aren't telling us anything about Atlanta.
យើងគេយើងចូលឆែកមើលផ្ទះហ្នឹង
Just leave the
អូ
city.
ខេយើងមានរូបគំនូ
Time with you back to Murrieta. I've got to get back to the
បើក
hospital.
គង្អួចមកនេះ
Please let
វាំង
me
ណ
know
នេះ
when
ហ្នឹង
Message 3, left at 6:50
ជួយ
p.m.
តួអង្គឯងមុកយ
Baby, if you can hear this, call the police.
Call the police
911.
ចឹងតួអង្គយពេហ្នឹងសំឡេងយពេហ្នឹងឲ្យតេទៅប៉ូលីស911 យ៉ាមេ Derry ប៉ាប៉ាជួយសំឡេងអីគេអូយើងមានអាយកូមយកមកជួយយកមកអឺ
Hello?
You need
សួស្ដី លេងហ្គេមចេះពាក្យសួស្ដីម៉ាត់ឯនេះ Who is this
Who is this?
I'm Clementine. This is my house.
Hi.
អានេះជាផ្ទះរបស់ខ្ញុំ
I'm Lee.
You're not my daddy.
No, I'm not.
អឺ How old are you
8.
8ឆ្នាំ
Alone?
Yes. I don't know where anybody is. How old are you?
I'm 37.
Okay.
47 អូ
Where are your parents?
ឯណាឪពុកម្ដាយរបស់អ្នក
With Sandra. They're in Savannah, I think. Where the boats are?
អឺ Where are you Where's you
Where are you?
I'm outside in my treehouse. They can't get in.
That's smart.
See?
អូនៅលើហ្នឹងមែន
I can see
អូ
you
ខេ
through the window.
ខ្ញុំបានឃើញអ្នកនឹងប្អួចយ៉ូអូខេបោះយកភ័យយ៉ាងស្លាប់អូស្ពើវិលអលឈាមបោកក្បាលបន្តិចឆាក់ឡើងទេអាងាប់បដ ாய்
Did they get you?
លេងសាមអីបដ ாய் ខ្ពើមែនជួយអត់ទៅមិញជួយអត់ទៅអ្នកស្លាប់អូខេអាកូនហ្នឹងមកទេខំទៀតឡើយអាញូហ្នឹងដាក់មកធាក់ជើងចាប់ឡើងដាក់ក្បាលយើងហ្នឹងដាក់ទៀតអត់ទាន់ងាប់អានេះមិនងាប់អើយខ្ពើមជួយមកងាប់មកក្រក់ជួយថ្មីឡើងសស្លែតបែកឈាមវិញក្អៅអូ shit
Did you kill it?
ជួយតិច I don't know I think so yes
Yes.
It's okay. I think she was a monster.
I think so too. You've been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
I think that might be a little while. You know?
Oh,
Look, I don't know what happened, but I'll look after you until then.
ចេះពុកម្ដាយបងក្មេងតូចហ្នឹងទៅណាដែរនេះអូខេ look for help
We need to find help before it gets dark.
yeah. It's not safe at night.
Let's go.
Ok mà.
Stay close to me.
Ok,ចូលទៅកាន់វគ្គថ្មីហ៎លេងវាគៀងអេក្រង់ហ្គេមអត់គៀងទេអេក្រង់វាគៀងអេក្រង់គៀងចុចអត់កើតទេអញ្ចឹងវាចុចបិទ record វីដេអូឯងបិទបើហ្គេមសាថ្មីដើរទៅស្មានតែគេឲ្យដើរតែមិញឥឡូវគេឲ្យដើរខ្លួនឯងទៅយកដើរជឿតមិនចុយអូ play តួអង្គហ្នឹងបាក់ជើងមកដើរអើយធ្វើមែនតាណាអូខេបើកទ្វារលបងមកចុយមានមនុស្សនៅរស់តើ
I ain't never getting home to Mama at this rate.
ស្មានងាប់អស់ហើយតើ
This sucks. It's not this night.
អូខេបើកលបងមក
What's the matter?
Should I stay?
What?
I don't want to sleep in the treehouse tonight, but I don't know if I should leave. What if my parents come home?
I won't leave you alone.
Well, let's go somewhere safe that's close, okay?
That's a good idea. Hey, man!
Holy shit!
Don't eat us! We're not gonna hurt you.
Tornado អូ
Thought for a second you and the little one were both gonna give us the chop.
What are you doing អ្នកកំពុងធ្វើអីហ្នឹង
What are you doing?
Trying to get home. This neighborhood's a disaster. Are you trying to get out of here? Because you should be. Those things are all over the damn place. I haven't seen anything as gnarly as this neighborhood since downtown Atlanta, 15 miles back. I'm Sean. Sean Green.
Lee, this is Clementine.
I'm Chet.
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ
You
Jake
shouldn't be out in the open like this. How about you help us clear the way, and we'll take you and your daughter out of here and down to my family's farm.
អត់តន់
It
អ
should
ត់
be
តន់ដឹង
safe
ឈ្មោះ
I'm
តួ
not
អង្គ
a
ក្មេងម្នាក់ហ្នឹងឯងតួអង្គយើងនេះអត់តន់ដឹងឈ្មោះអីគេនេះWhere is this
A neighbor. Her parents are out of town.
Let's get
អូខេ
going.
ពងកុហកក្មេងហ្នឹង
Staying put for too long is a mistake.
What do you want to do?
Them monsters come out. We gotta go.
អូខេខ្មោចមកទៀតហើយ
Lee, quick, let's go.
ឆាប់ឡើងអូអញ្ចឹងឡាននោះដំណើរការកើតទេត្រូវអត់លឿនជួយគ្នាអូខេរត់ឡើងឡានលឿនហើយអូខេទៅហើយអូខេ
Were any of those guys neighbors too?
ហ្គេមនេះលយហ្គេមលយពេលយប់ហើយពិភពលោកពោពេញដោយស៊ូមីអូខេលើកទី1ឲ្យបានលេងហ្គេមសាច់រឿងតែសតដឹងថាលើទូរស័ព្ទមានហ្គេមសាច់រឿងហើយអូខេផ្ទះមានភ្លើងអញ្ចឹងប្រហែលមានមនុស្សនៅ
Hey, Sean, I'm gonna run on home. My mama's gonna be in a snit.
No sweat, man. I'll catch you tomorrow night.
It was nice to meet you both.
អូខេស្មាពីអ្នកនឹងបងប្អូនគ្នារបស់យោឯបងប្អូនគ្នាមកដូចគ្នាបង
Thank God you're okay.
I was worried it'd be bad here, too.
Been quiet as usual the past couple days. Brecken down the way thinks his mare's gone lame, but that ain't nothing new.
I wouldn't have made it back without Chet.
Well, I'm glad you took him with you then. You've brought a couple guests.
មិនបានលឿនមែន
Need a place to stay.
You're welcome to stay
អត់
here
ដាក់ឲ្យមក
just for
ទី
the
ដើម្បី
night.
ជ្រើសរើសអាណាមើលទាន់
So it's just you and your daughter then?
Oh, not his daughter. He was her neighbor.
Honey, do you know this man?
Yes.
Okay then. Well, looks like you hurt your leg pretty bad there.
Yeah. It's not doing
តែ
so.
តួអង្គយើងប្រាក់សើឈាម
I can help you out. Sean, run on in and check on your sister. You, take a seat up on the porch and I'll go see what I have. Let's have a look. Yeah, this is swollen to hell.
It's not too bad.
Tough guy.
វាមិនអាក្រក់
What
ទេ
did you say your name was?
ដឹងត្រូវអត់ទេ
Doesn't matter, right?
Huh. Well, if you're going to be here overnight, I'm going to need it. Unless you'd rather hit the road.
It's Lee.
Well, Lee, just Lee, I'll take it. I'm Herschel Green. How'd this happen?
I feel
Trying to get away from one of those things.
That's so. What type of danger has the girl seen?
នរណា
Who
ដឹង
knows? She had a few lonely days with nothing but the dead keeping her company.
I still just can't imagine it.
Consider yourself lucky.
House is full up with mine. We got another displaced family of 3 sleeping in the barn. You and your daughter are welcome to rest there. None here. I didn't catch your name, darling.
Clementine.
Can't imagine what you've been through, Clementine.
Looking after her until we find her parents.
Hey, Dad. So I'm
So,
thinking, first thing tomorrow, we gotta reinforce the fence around the farm.
That doesn't seem necessary.
I don't know what
Sige,
you saw on
sige.
TV or heard
The
on the radio. But is
grand
she serious?
grand news
Shit hitting the fan. I don't think anyone knows how to do this yet.
Your son's right. You're gonna want to fortify this place.
Stuff like that doesn't happen around here, Sean.
Dad, I'm serious. Lee, come on. Tell him what you saw out there, man.
I watched a man let himself get run over without blinking an eye.
Well, do what you think you should. We got plenty of chores as it is.
Lee and those folks in the barn can help out in the morning. We gotta do it. Really.
ចឹងហ្គេមហ្នឹងវាមានចម្លើយយើងរើសបើសិនយើងរើសចម្លើយវាណាសាច់រឿងក៏វាទៅតាមហ្នឹងដែរ
You should start to feel better tomorrow.
អូខេ
If your leg gets hot or the swelling doesn't go down, you're probably dealing with an infection.
What do we do then?
We'll probably just have to shoot you.
ហ្គេមហ្នឹង free ទេលើ
We'll clean it, read
Play
it,
style.
you'll be fine.
Okay, that'd be preferable.
There's blankets and such in
ទំ
the
ហំ
barn.
ទុកនេះជាមួយជីជាង
You
អត់ធំ
bright
ទេ
and early. Come tomorrow, which way you think you're headed?
Towards Macon, I suppose. All right then.
ម៉ែអត់ឲ្យដូចដេកក្នុងផ្ទះហើយដេកក្នុងជ្រុក
It
ខ្ពើ
smells
មែន
like
អូខេ
Manure.
manure? Like when a horse plops?
Just like that.
ប៊ីចុចឲ្យកន្លែងវិញឲ្យបិទមាត់ខ្ពើមែន
I missed my mom and dad.
ខ្ញុំនឹក
I bet.
ម្ដាយរបស់ខ្ញុំនិងឪពុក
How far is Savannah?
Pretty far.
Oh, okay.
ដេកដល់យប់ហើយជួយពងសម័យមែន What the fuck ពងយកសពអូខេចូលវគ្គថ្មីនេះ
Get up.
ច្រឡំចូលវគ្គបន្តនេះ
I'm itchy.
Well, you slept in a barn, little lady. Lucky you don't have spiders in your hair. But I bet your daddy scared them all away, huh?
I'm not her dad. Name's Lee.
I'm Kenny.
Dad, we're in the
We better get going, or we won't hear the end of it. That's my boy, Ken Jr. We call him Duck, though.
Oh.
Dodging or quacking?
Quacking.
Dad!
See? The word is you were on your way to Macon.
My family's from there.
Well, Macon's on the way, and personally, I'd appreciate the company of a guy who can knock a couple of heads together if he has to.
Chơi hư start vô rồi. Maybe let's knows all.
Honey, Duck, this is Lee. And, what's the girl's name?
Clementine.
Clementine.
That is a
Chơi
very
small ghê
pretty name.
Clementine.
Thanks.
Well, we should get to work. We've all seen what those things can do out there, so the faster we get this fence up, the better.
I want to build a fence.
Yeah? Well, I need
Chả
a good
tối một
foreman.
đư mày.
You can sit on the tractor and yell at me whenever I take a water break.
On a tractor? Cool!
Duck and I will hop to it.
I can keep an eye on your little girl here on the porch. We can visit.
Nếuយើងអាចដើរមើលតាមបរិវេណនេះបានពេលហ្គេមសាច់រឿងវាមិនសូវមានសេរីភាពទេត្រូវហើយពេលយើងសាច់រឿងវាមិនមែនជាមានសេរីភាពប៉ុណ្ណាទេ
Gotcha, Clementine.
Yeah.
ដើរមកអាមួយពងជួសជុលឡាននេះអើ
He seems like an all right dude.
ឥឡូវទៅណាបន្ទាប់ទៀត
It's just whatever scraps I could find around the property.
ហើយខ្ញុំត្រូវលេងចប់មួយវគ្គហ្នឹងខ្ញុំត្រូវសម្រាកសិនហើយចាំថ្ងៃស្អែកឬខនស្អែកបន្តទៀតទេ
Do you think this thing will keep him out?
Not yet. I'm planning on coming back through on a fortification
ពងតែ
pass
ជួស
if
ជុល
you
ល
know.
បង
We'll lock this place up good. You know how to drive it?
Sure don't. I can give you a hell of a critique of the U.S. Farm Bill, though.
I'm good.
How you doing, Doug?
Good. I'm gonna drive the tractor. I'm the foreman. Lift with your back, Sean.
ខ្ញុំគឺជាកសិករអូខេទៅឯងខ្ជិលវីលវល់អញដើរទៅកន្លែងផ្សេង
Hey, Lee.
No,
I'm gonna go check on the others.
Whatever you want, man.
It's not the most reliable pickup in the world, but it gets the job done.
Hey there, Kenny. Need any help?
ត្រូវការខ្ញុំ
No,
ជួយអត់
I think I got it. Do you need any help?
What do you mean?
I mean, in taking care of that little girl. You know what you're doing? You got kids of your own?
I think I've got it handled okay. As long as I keep her safe, I think I'm doing all right.
With those things out there, maybe. Sure, that's enough. But you gotta ask yourself if you're the type of guy who can do better than that if her parents don't show up.
I'll keep that in mind. So what's your family's plan?
Get back on down to Lauderdale and let this mess get sorted out. Government will start handing out shots and the National Guard will do its thing. On the odd chance things got too bad, we could hop on my boat, I guess.
You've got a boat.
I'm a commercial fisherman, catching mackerel, dolphin, whatever's biting and paying. Katya wouldn't be wild about it, but the boat's not that bad.
See,
bán đấy សួរច្រើនពេកអត់ប្រយោជន៍ហ៎
It's actually a piece of shit, but Hall's all right.
តើមើលប៉ាវេនជុំវិញផ្ទះហ្នឹងអូខេអត់មានអីហ៎អូខេយើងនៅតួអង្គម្នាក់ទៀតអត់បានសួរនេះ
You should know that if you weren't leaving with Kenny today, I wouldn't stand for your lack of honesty last night.
I'm not sure I follow.
A man asks you your name, you give it, unless that name is no good. How'd you get out of Atlanta?
I got a ride and then I was in a wreck. I walked until your boy found me.
Well, you're no worse for wear.
This farm's a nice plot of land.
If you told me 20 years ago I'd still be doing this, I would have told you that you were full of crap. Never was a plan, having a place like this. It was in the family, and I guess so was I. Family's important. That's all that matters. You agree with that?
Was brought up to, yes.
Where's your family now? Parents? Wife? Girlfriend?
No family. I had a beta fish on my desk at the university.
I hope someone remembered to feed him. But now you've got this little girl to
អ
take
ត់មាន
care
គ្រួ
of.
សារអូខេ
Clementine, is it? You just stumbled up on her?
I've gone looking
Yes.
for her
I was looking for help in her house.
Can I give you a piece of advice?
sure
Sure.
I don't know who you are or what you did. Let's say things don't get better back in the cities, or they get worse before they do. You're going to have to depend on the honesty of strangers if you're going to make it. And if those same people get to questioning yours, you're going to be in trouble. But at least you have the common sense to listen to a man giving you advice.
ចុយស្អីគេ
Go! I'll get my gun.
Chui à chú Chui phun nó đang thẩm biến không vậy chứ Chui là cái này chờ câu đi muốn Chui mấy bạn nó phải cho thằng măng chứ Chui lớn lắm chui anh này lên nhá còn đằng ấy tiết rồi chui anh ấy tiết lên chập lăng chọc đầu nó ngọt ngọt vào đầu ọt dưới à môi này ca zombie rồi bạch con chui với đây ô chân dương ai chui ban tầm nẹt tê loại lột mấy bà dân chui à tạ bẹ mấy chân mấy nó từ zombie kham ngọt
Get the fuck out of here!
ôi shit là ta đi đào gai rồi
Sorry.
sống tốt rồi
You don't get to be sorry. And you didn't even try to help.
miền đây nhom mìa sống tốt
Look at him.
Sorry is no damn good. Please, just go. Get out and never come back.
mơ mục cái niềm đời
To make it if you want it.
bán rồi tao chân sập rạ bắn năng dẫn chăm ngày khôiបន្តទៀត. OK bye